All right, folks, here you go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with 119,000 miles and only 697 idle hours. Original Norsea blue from factory. This vehicle looks super sharp. Vehicle has been serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey, ready to go anywhere across the country. Folks, judging by the appearance of this unit, I can honestly tell you that this vehicle was probably a commander's or a high-ranking officer take-home vehicle. I'm used to seeing Crown Victorias, but not like this, not in this shape, not in this condition. Folks, the vehicle looks immaculate. She looks very sharp. She is in great running condition and shape. She doesn't need any repairs on it whatsoever, as this vehicle already has received the Mario's touch, meaning that I left nothing for you to do but to get in and take it to your gas station and your DMV. That's about it. Folks, let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a light shade of window tint all around. Not too dark, not too light. It's just perfect. You can see right through. Again, this is a light shade tint all around for that department. Vehicle does have one antenna hole, one antenna on the roof. That is it. Vehicle has very light, tiny scratches that are hardly noticeable. Vehicle does have about 3 door dings. I was able to count 3 door dings. This is gonna be an E85 okay on this one, folks. Once again, the vehicle is original Norsea blue, has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country to her new home. Before I forget, I got to tell you that this vehicle does have a brand new set of Michelin tires, courtesy of the department. All right, brand new set of Michelin tires on this bad boy right here. Vehicle doesn't have any rust on it whatsoever. Once again, no rust on this beauty whatsoever. Let me get closer here to that antenna, folks. This is gonna be like the shark fin antenna. That came with the vehicle. I'm not removing it, I'm leaving it in place. All right. Vehicle does have 3 door dings. It's got one little tiny one right here. It's got another one right here with this scratches. All right, one right there, and it's got another one somewhere right here on the hood. There you go. It kind of hides, but it's right there. There you go. I got it. That's the one. Very small. It's right there, folks. That is about it. Vehicle doesn't have any spotlights whatsoever. Once again, this has had to be a commander's or high-ranking officer take-home vehicle. Brand new tires. All 4 factory hubcaps. Full wheel covers are in mint conditions. They look very nice. Clear lights and lessons in the front. For once, I didn't have to replace any headlights on this unit. The headlights on this unit are actually nice. They're clear. They are clean. I do have some chips here on the front bumper, folks. Once again, she's not perfect. I do have some chipping right there. You can see it right there, folks. I'm not hiding anything from you. So what I see, you are seeing some chips here as well. Very small. Nothing big or major to worry about, but they are there, folks. Aside from that, folks, you got yourself a perfect looking running vehicle right here, right now. Once again, folks, I'm used to seeing Crown Victorias all day long, all week long, but not many do come to me with this in these conditions. I'm actually very happy, surprised. Again, I'm not used to seeing them this clean, this perfect. Let's go inside, show you what we got to work with. I do have a perfect matching interior. All seat belts and buckles are in place, as you guys can see. I do have vinyl floor. Once again, the vinyl floor is in perfect conditions. No tears, no rips, no nothing. Rear doors are fully assembled from factory, so if you do have passengers, they will be able to exit out of the vehicle on their own without you having to open the door for them. This is gonna be a Zebra 5 rear axle, electric driver's side seat. Driver's side seat is in perfect condition, well, near perfect condition. Aside from that, this is probably from your equipment belt. Vehicle does have a brand new aftermarket center console, perfect color combo with this interior. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there, folks. Electric retractable pedals right here, working cruise control. Honk does work. Let's go inside. Perfect dash, no holes. Perfect dash, no holes. Working cruise control, did I already say that? One key. Vehicle came with one key. I'm gonna try to get you a secondary key so you can have a spare. Let's go ahead and fire her up before my neighbors come out. Please don't come out, don't come out, don't come out, stay home. All right, all pressure lights are up. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Vehicle does have 119,000 miles. Yeah, I reset the clock, so far I'm back to 12 miles driven so far. It's been more than that, but I reset the clock. 697 idle hours, folks. That's about it. The stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Stereo does work. Red LED, white LED, map lights do work. We're gonna go to the trunk. Hood, am I forgetting anything else? Super cold air conditioner, folks, let me tell you. Nice and cold air conditioner. Come on, I don't want to see the mosquitoes. No rust on this bad boy whatsoever. Couldn't get her clean up there, guys. I do apologize. There we go. Michelin tires. These are new from the department. Nice looking set of hubcaps from the department. There's a lot of meat on those tires, let me tell you. A lot. These are gonna be the 235 55 17s. Folks, I do have a full spare tire, what it appears to be a new Goodyear RSA Eagle. Floor jack right there, hold down pen inside, folks. All right, super clean, very, very clean. What you see is what you're gonna get. All right, did you pay attention to that? The trunk didn't go super quiet. I know you guys didn't pay attention to that. Love it. Okay, let's continue. The clock is ticking. Folks, the paint looks immaculate. This vehicle was not beat up at all. It wasn't. Look at these tires. Wow. Nice clear lights from the department. All right, folks. Folks, as you guys can see, my detail did an amazing job putting this car, cleaning this car, bringing her back to life. Once again, she did not do much, but they still did a full detail on her. And for you guys to follow me, I don't like to cut any corners, so I do go all out in all my vehicles. Alright folks, let's get started. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, full synthetic 520 oil service, fluid and filter. Transmission, folks, let me stop right here. Transmission was rebuilt when I bought the vehicle. We came to the shocking surprise that the vehicle did have a bad transmission. The auction did not made us aware that the vehicle did have a bad transmission, so we were all in a bidding war, and we came to learn that the vehicle had a bad transmission the last day of the auction, once all bets were in. So guess what, I didn't back out and I took it like a champ. So I did have the original transmission rebuilt. third gear was out. All right, when the vehicle arrived, there was no third gear. Everything else worked fine, but it wouldn't get past third. All right, so yes, folks, the transmission was completely rebuilt. We did it the right way. It was a little expensive, but you know what, folks, I'd rather pay the price than to send you off with something bad. All right, so there you go, brand new rebuilt transmission. Vehicle does have a new battery from the department. Vehicle appears to have a semi-new OEM electric crankshaft and module. Vehicle also does have brand new front and rear struts and shocks. You can see them right there, folks. You see that right there? Brand new shocks in the front. Correction, brand new struts in the front. Brand new rear shocks in the back. Drive belt is in good shape, so I didn't have to replace the air conditioner. It's nice and cold, so I didn't have to do anything to that. I got in between the radiator and the condenser, folks. I cleaned all that up right there. I did run a summer campaign on the vehicle to make sure she's ready for the summer. Clean out all the dust bunnies. Once again, I set you up for success on another great looking vehicle, and I do have the fasteners for the top radiator cover. Don't worry, I'll put everything back in place. This is just for show and tell. Before I forget, the vehicle does have a the brakes all around. They're about 80%. Correction, 75% all around the brakes. I'm trying to catch myself here, remembering what was done to this one, but the brakes were checked. They're about 75% all around, folks. I did not have to do any brake replacement. Everything is nice on this vehicle. Folks, I gotta go, the clock is ticking. If you guys have any questions, comments, and you are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call or text me. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a blessed weekend out there. God bless and take care.